Welcome to Assembly News Now. This is multimedia editor Jennifer Pierce, and here's what's happening with product assembly on May 6th. In this special edition of Assembly News Now, we recap some of the cool new technology on display at the Assembly Show South, Quality Show, and Adhesives in Action. Additionally, we cover how AI enables robots to track assemblies on a moving line. Plus, a new cobot automates screwdriving. And for our top story, automation tackles the welder shortage. And finally, Mechademic introduces a pint-sized Scara. These Assembly News Now stories after a brief message from our sponsor, Motion Index Drives, a leading manufacturer of rotary, linear, and multi-axis precision indexing devices. Motion Index Drives. Rotary index tables, precision link conveyors, weld positioning systems, tooled tray shuttles, robot transfer units, and much more through your customized specifications. Learn more at www.motionindexdrives.com. Thousands of manufacturing professionals from across the southeastern United States attended the Assembly Show South, the Quality Show, and Adhesives in Action last month at the Music City Center in Nashville, Tennessee. Some 200 exhibitors displayed the latest technology for manual and automated assembly, measurement and quality control, and adhesive bonding and dispensing. The conference program covered topics such as design for assembly, lean manufacturing, artificial intelligence, metrology, torque control, and nanomaterials. Engineers even got the opportunity to tour the nearby Nissan assembly plant in Smyrna, Tennessee. At the ESTIC booth, French startup Inbolt showed off its state-of-the-art robot guidance technology. Inbolt's Guide Now system uses 3D vision and artificial intelligence to enable a robot to locate a workpiece and adjust its path to the target in real time. The technology allows a robot to perform complex tasks such as tightening a bolt or dispensing an adhesive while the workpiece is moving down the assembly line. At the Wesco booth, Detroit startup Abo Robotics displayed its new screwdriving cobot. The cobot is unique in that the screwdriver is fully integrated into the arm. This eliminates the need to integrate third-party hardware and software. Thanks to user-friendly programming and pre-configured templates, engineers can deploy the robot quickly. Tools are available to handle torques ranging from 2 to 50 Newton meters. And now for today's top story. The average age of welders in the U.S. is 55, and many are nearing retirement. At the same time, fewer young people are training to become welders. That's a problem because we're going to need welders for infrastructure projects and manufacturing expansion. In fact, the American Welding Society predicts that 330,000 new welding professionals will be needed by 2028. Thankfully, automation can pick up some of that slack. Here to tell us more is Chief Editor John Sprovieri.
Thanks, Jennifer. Welding is one of the fastest growing applications for collaborative robots. Cobot welders are now available from robot OEMs, welding technology suppliers, and systems integrators. One of those integrators, Blue Bay Automation, showed off its new Spartan Cobot welder at the Assembly Show South. The system consists of welding equipment from Fronius, a cobot from Casal Robots, and a welding table from Sigmund. An optional tool changer lets the cobot switch from a torch to a gripper or a plasma cutter. The system can also be configured with a linear or rotary axis. The Casal robot is unique because it has a 7th axis of motion. This allows the robot to weld in complex locations, navigate around workpiece obstacles, and maintain a consistent torch speed. The extra axis also maximizes workspace utilization. The cobot can cover a larger area, so workers don't have to constantly reposition the workpiece. With a user-friendly teach pendant, engineers can quickly set up linear, circular, and stitch welds. An integrated free drive button lets engineers teach weld positions by hand simply by moving the torch tip to the weld point. Weld parameters are set through a touchscreen display. The system can be used to weld steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. A pre-built cell starts at $80,000, which is not bad when you consider that an experienced welder can earn $75,000 a year. Back to you, Jennifer.
Thanks, John. And finally, Mechademic has introduced what it says is the world's smallest SCARA robot. Designed for high-precision applications, the MCS 500 has a positional repeatability of 5 microns, which is smaller than a red blood cell. The controller is embedded in the base of the robot and includes vacuum and I/O controls. It can complete a standard pick-and-place move in less than half a second. It has a maximum reach of 225 millimeters, and it can carry a maximum payload of 1 kilogram. That's all for this edition of Assembly News Now. For all the latest news on assembly technology, visit assemblymag.com and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and tune in next month for another installment of Assembly News Now.